Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC hakala singublay jong katayo kala penlong ya kecing raki ya kecing dap nyau paulai snem jongka da ka ba penlong ya ka program ha district auditorium tura.
Kum shibenta jong kecing raki dap nyau paulai snem jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Usumbut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela Bukemiru ya ketenat District Council Affairs ubah Preston Tunsong ulah diukiak hakabalai dan lang Chief Executive Member ka GHADC u Albinosh Armarak KMDC bat kiwai-kiwai bat penipu ipeng ya kena kejing rakyat lang bak kejing ruai bat kejing syat tenrai lagi kena jong skul boper. Habakran na kejing lang ubah Preston Tunsong ulah kentu ya ka GHADC banamar bagadai kabla syapan ko board pura ha ka 6th schedule jong keritisin syari. Bakam day ban klet ba kendai pun rio haduk kendai pu prana kesispa ke jakai keberan ha Kejela Meghalaya kini gi bahap apa jong 6th schedule baru luang bakanu kanu kejat ben rio na Kejela ke belong try la ka kendo ke siap kala ban penek pensa la dia na kami ke pateng syaka weipat nalur kani uliaro ru ya kino ngelam ke berem Kejela ke belan no senyang ha kejeng kun ban penyo ela ke jong Kejela uba Preston Tunsong lepen kan mauru bo Captain Williamson sangma ude unong ngelam bakrau jong kejat ben rio Garo baru dia Chief Executive Member Benengkong jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council baru Menteri Rang Bak Benengkong jangka Kejela Meghalaya. Ubah Preston ulah kenturu ia kejing dan kam ban penklanca show ke 6th schedule bat ke board terekam jangka council baru ulah banjur ia kejing longkongsan jangka District Council.
Hard or late leader continue to serve as the minister then, I don't think you'll be able to speak Garo language. I don't think Khasi language will be there. I don't think on mother tongue will be there. But we are as we are today. Let us not forget the greatest leader we have in the region. Sometimes the generation today, we tend to forget this. How precious sacrifices have been made, nobody knows. So therefore, my dear children, please don't forget this incident, and please don't forget our forefathers. It's just because of them we are as we are today. It is just because of them. Now proudly we become like this. And now we can stand on our own. So let us not forget about it. So, coming back to the journey of the District Council in Garo Hills, 73 years today you attain.